Hi guys!
Hi!
So it's vacation here in Rome, so kaya mamamasyal kami ng mga bata. With the kids. Say hi kids!
Hi! Vico.
Where are we going?
To Lago di Vico. Lago di Vico!
Okay, so pupunta kami sa Lago di Vico para mag-picnic, mag-lunch doon. Ayun, so samahan nyo kami sa
It's Republic
sa
Day.
pamamasyal namin ngayon. So holiday ngayon dito sa Rome. Today is
June 2.
June 2.
Republic
Today's
Day.
It's what?
Republic Day.
Republic Day. Ayun, so kaya sinamantala na namin yung chance na to para maipasyal din yung mga bata. May mga kasama kami. Kasama rin namin yung, of course, yung family ng asawa ko, yung binan ko, mga binan ko. Kasama rin namin yung ibang mga family friends namin na makikita nyo mamaya pagdating namin. So, kakalis lang namin ng bahay ngayon and let me share you the view. Alright, so nandito pa kami sa city and papunta kami ngayon dun sa
Highway.
kasama namin. No, punta muna tayo kay Tita Len. Alright, so here's our driver.
Hi!
My wife. And syempre ako, pasahero. So,
eto sabi ko sa kaila Papa, huwag masyadong bilisan. Diyos ko, sinobra naman ang bagal. Hindi ako makaano.
5 minutes.
Hindi ako makakataw.
sa highway na kami eh.
Mga isang oras din ang biyahe, no?
Sa oras ba nakalagay?
53 minutes, oo. Buti nga walang masyadong tao eh. Expect ko nga mas traffic eh dahil holiday. Kaya nalabas natin kasi
marami nang umalis ng Sabado pa lang.
holiday,
Sabado pa lang or Biyernes pa lang.
Weekend,
Oo, naglabasan na sila ng Roma. Actually, mamaya yan, makapabalik na yan dahil may pasok na bukas.
Yan ang ano ko ngayon, parang vibe kong music.
Kailangan ng music natin.
Nakaka-good vibes. Guys, hindi kayo sleepy? Are you excited?
Yeah. Is this the guy that thought it's yeah. Oh, take mommy.
Hi, Skyla.
Hi. Hey. Oh, take mommy. Hi everybody. We're going to Lago Vico and say hi to my brother.
Hello.
We are now going to Lago di Vico.
We're gonna have an outing, a picnic and a lunch there. We're gonna have fun.
Yeah.
Say hi, Sam.
Hi.
So, we're gonna head up to the mountains. Fun fact, Lago di Vico comes from an Asian volcano that has been extinguished by the big rain on the earth. That happened millions of years ago. And yeah, we're gonna have a picnic, barbecue, outing.
Barbecue.
Yeah, we're gonna do ihawan, nakakain tayo.
Can you look at the view? In the meantime, you could be with my brother if you want to ask some questions or something. So yeah.
Gonna be there in like an hour or so. Since today it's Republic Day here in Italy, we've decided to take this chance to go out. Yeah, to go out. Heading to a lake, enjoying the nature scenery.
Parang nasa Pilipinas.
You guys will be the grandma and grandpa.
Oh yes. Edit it first, and then we're gonna post it on YouTube for our memories.
Not because we want subscribers, because we just
Yes, no, not for subscribers,
Oh.
just to have our memories.
Para next time meron ulit tayong pinapanood.
Yes.
Are we gonna put it in a bunch?
Yes.
Put it in our channel.
Hey, look, there's I think I see a mountain up there.
Here.
That
Oh,
one.
yes.
I think that's Monte Cimini.
Parang wala tayo sa Italia, puro English tong mga to.
I don't know. I think that's where Lago di Vico sits.
No, where's the volcano?
The volcano is already extinct. It's not there anymore because it's been extinguished by the water.
I thought only lava.
Kasi nanisip yung ocean.
No nga.
No?
Hindi na nga mukhang malaki.
So, sa bagay, ano yan sa akin, medyo parang
Medyo
body
fit.
fit, body fit sa akin. Tsaka, ano siya, yung tawag doon, stretchable.
Anak, you know why we're slow? Because ci sono anche i limiti di velocità. Quindi se andiamo veloce, però poi riceviamo la multa, che facciamo? Quindi meglio rispettare i limiti di velocità, and be safe instead of, sorry. Yeah, exactly. Anong exit tayo, Daddy?
Ano pala yun?
Layo pa.
There's a museum.
Finally, they know where
Tayo dito.
Wow, this part of the city is so
Old school Italy. Yeah.
wow, so cool.
There you go.
What happened here?
Pop-up headlight cars.
Ooh.
Ito si Cheso.
Non si può?
No way, pop-up headlights.
No, atras si Papa ba?
But they're not allowed anymore due to
Ah,
pedestrian
didira
security.
dun.
Because the
May event yata.
pop-up headlights are pointless. Saan?
Dito.
Look, pop-up headlights.
Sige, trima ka lang.
No way, bruh.
Sarado yung daan.
Guys.
Sarado yung daan dun. Ikot kami. Saan kaya tayo dadaan?
This is such a trip, guys. I love it.
Well, maybe they got your license.
Pili ko ibabalik tayo dun sa dapat nilikuan natin kanina. Sarado eh. Dumiretso kasi si Papa. Gabi. Hindi naman natin alam na sarado. Tayo kanan. Kaliwa. Okay.
It could see back to my headboard.
Alright, lapit na tayo.
What?
Ay, sarap magpasahero.
Tara!
Bruh, what pasahero you mean?
So fun.
Uy, lapit na tayo. Tanaw na yung lake.
We're in the mountains right now, guys. We're in Montishi. We're in the Montishimini.
Saan?
Too bad we can't swim. Too bad we can't swim. Yeah.
Lapit na tayo, guys. Konti na lang ba?
Whoa! Why can't we swim?